Hello, welcome to this week's vlog. What's today? Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday. Power's out now, so there's no internet, and I woke up with there's no internet this morning, so I can't upload anything. So I decided to work on a whole bunch of videos to get them sort of just out of the way. And then the power went off when I was working on the first one, so I didn't even get one done. And it's been off for like 3 hours now. And it's really annoying because I wanted to get those videos done, but obviously not. So I just sort of set up my printer. I got a new Epson printer. As you can see, it's an EcoTank printer and it's one of the better quality ones, so I can do prints and stickers and stuff off it. I'll probably just mainly do the stickers and stuff and then use my Canon one for the prints. What else? I wanted to work on the maned wolf, but since the power's out, I can't get to any reference pictures. I like to have reference pictures that are the right size of what I want to sculpt. So, yeah, I can't do that. And I've got like my workspace is a little bit dark as well, so I don't have any lights to do any filming. I wanted to do a video on, what is it? Making eyes for art dolls. I was going to do a video on that today, but I can't have, my light doesn't work, so I can't do that. And so I set the printer up, and then my cats helped out setting the printer up. Setting the printer up. So I think what I'm going to do now, I can't turn it on to go any further because I think you have to plug it in and turn it on first before you add the ink or something, or download the software or something. So I'll just wait till the power comes back on. But I think I will do some trimming on my Kitsune dolls, so yeah, they obviously need a trim. So I think I'll do that because I can do that without any power. But other than that, I don't know what else I can do. I'm so bored, and the garage is, the roller door is on power, so I can't even go anywhere. So I'm sort of trapped. Hopefully it gets back up and running soon because I'm so bored. But anyway, I guess I will do some stuff, hey? Power's back on, yeah! Hello! Today's Thursday, so I've got the whole day to do stuff. I got the internet back and the power back, so I can actually do some things. I edited a few videos ready to be put up, one's for my Patreon, and that is how I made the rat tail for my new rat doll. So that is available for my $5 and up tiers, and that's on there right now. And then the other one will be going up, well, should be already up, is how I made the rat, Wormtail I called him. So yeah, that's on my YouTube for free. And so what am I going to do today? Today I have to go get some cat food for starters, so I'm going to go do that after this video. And then I have pretty much finished my 2 Kitsune dolls, so I need to take some pictures of them, the sun and moon one. I'm not sure if I want to add anything else to it though, just cause I don't know, one's just like completely white with the Kitsune face. but I don't really know what else to add. There's nothing that I want to add to it, but at the same time I kind of find it a bit boring, I guess. And then the moon one has a nice gradient in it as well, so I just need to do a couple of little things just to finish it off, and then I can go and take some photos of them. And yeah, like I said, I'll be putting them up in the one listing, but it will be able to choose from the drop down box which one you want, or if you want the pair. So the pair will be at a little bit cheaper, so if you want a sun and moon pair, they will be listed as, yeah, a little bit cheaper for the pair and then full price for a single one. But I sort of have to keep an eye on that and make sure that the pair isn't available if one is sold. And then yes, I want to start on my maned wolf as well, so I'm going to do it out of Sculpey. So I have quite a bit, I should have enough Sculpey here. I like to use Sculpey Original, so I've got half a block of that. Might need to get some more. I don't think I have any. I usually get mine from Officeworks. They come in this big box, but I have to buy it online, so that's a kind of a downside. But they're a lot cheaper than buying it from Spotlight or something here in Australia. And this is also double the size of what you can get anywhere else, so it's much better value. But I'm only going to make it small. I still have a box of Sculpey, Super Sculpey as well, so I can use that, but I like to use the softer Sculpey Original. So it shouldn't need too much clay. Eyes. So I've done some eyes. Done some eyes here. Tiny little ones. I've just made them black because they're only tiny. So yeah, hopefully I get to film a video of that today. Let's see. So I'm gonna do like just painted eyes, and then a couple of other little eye things as well. And that will be over on my Patreon, because I know a lot of people ask me about eyes, so yes, that'll be on my Patreon. Anyway, I better go get some cat food because I only got like 2 days left of food. I ordered some online, but it's not here yet, so I need to make sure I have some because I don't know how long it's going to take. Anyway, I'm going to upload a video and then go and then come back and do some work. To show you how bad the smoke pollution is today. Pretty bad. It's reached us in Melbourne, and yes, it's pretty bad today. Hello. Today's Friday. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll show you what I did yesterday. So I did some sculpting. I sculpted the maned wolf head, so I still need to bake that. But yes, that is what we have. It's a smaller doll, so I want to bake that at some point, and I made the feet as well, so they will have to be baked at the same time. I also took some pictures of my kitsune dolls, so I need to edit those, which I will do, and put them up on my listings and stuff. So I'll do that at some point. But let's talk about bushfires. Yeah, I think I just wanted to touch on the whole bushfire thing here in Australia because it's pretty significant, I guess. So yes, most of Australia is on fire. So I'm thinking, and the smoke haze today is really bad. It's reached Melbourne, so its visibility is down to like 1.5 k's. So it's pretty much recommended to stay indoors and not do anything in this smoke haze. Don't know how long it's going to hang around for, but it is quite full on, and it seems to be just getting worse as the day goes on. So I think the wind was going towards the ocean, but now I think it's shifted around and it's pushing it towards Melbourne or that way. So, and the fire is just getting closer and closer to Melbourne. It's still about 3 hours away from where we live, but goes to show you how smoke can travel, I guess. So I'm thinking maybe I could make some Australian dolls, like animals, and donate like a percentage to wildlife rescue. I think that's something that I'd like to do. And I've got the next week off, so maybe I could you know, make a start on that. I know it takes some time to actually make the dolls, and I don't have a lot of time, but hopefully I could do some stuff in the next week. So I'm thinking a kangaroo, because I already have the molds for them, and some of the parts already cast. So I'm thinking a kangaroo, because they're pretty affected by it. A koala, another one that's been pretty affected by it as well. And I'm thinking maybe a possum or a wombat or something. So I'm thinking maybe 3. And yes, we'll see what I can get done. I don't know. And as for the organizations, there's one, what's it called? There was one animal welfare, I forgot what it's called, in New South Wales that has been doing a lot of work. So I'm thinking of donating to them, and maybe just the Red Cross donation service that they have going on at the moment. I'll try and remember to leave the link in my description if you would like to help out in any way. But yes, I'll have the link in my description. But other than that, our Prime Minister is doing a bang-up job of doing nothing about it, because he's a pretty shitty Prime Minister and doesn't really give a shit. But yes, let's hope things change and they calm down a bit, but I don't see that happening. And you know, maybe people will start to understand the importance of climate change and not listen to our Prime Minister. But anyway, I guess I'll start doing some things for what little bit of the afternoon that I have left. I do have next week off, which I can then work on some things and see what I can get done. But anyway, I'll have a little tinker around this afternoon. Can't really do anything because of the smoke everywhere. I can't really capture it because we have houses in the way. I can't really get like a good viewpoint where you can actually see the smoke. But anyway, and it's amazing because these fires have been burning for months and it's only getting media attention now. So yeah, well done, media. Anyway, I digress. I will do some stuff. kind of didn't film an outro for this vlog. So I will film an outro now. Today's Monday. I'll start a new vlog after this, but I want to show you what I did last week. I sculpted the maned wolf parts, so that's ready to be put together and painted and stuff. The sculpting of the head will be on my YouTube, and the feet will be on my Patreon. So I've got 4 little feet, and then so I'll start putting that together. But oh yeah, and I also sewed up quite a bit of my Kurama doll, so that's ready to go. That's gonna just sit and wait for a little bit because I want to do a couple of dolls for fundraising for Wires charity that help with all the wildlife that has been injured with the bushfires here. So I'm going to do hopefully 4 dolls. I've got this week to do it, so I want to really sort of get them done. But I'll try and remember to put the link to their charity in the description box if you want to donate anyway. But yes, I'm going to be doing some little animals to, and I'm hoping to donate $150 from each doll. So if there's 4, that's $600 if I sell 4, which will be really good to help them with the wildlife. There's also Red Cross and stuff that you can donate to, but I think people can take care of themselves when animals can't. So my choice is to help animals. But anyway, thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And you can check me out on Instagram and Facebook, and my shop at creaturesinnet.com, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.